exactly is a career? A career is not simply a job that gives you a salary every payday. A career is more than that. It is a long-term journey composed of learning, growing, and achieving milestones throughout your professional life. Think of it like a story that you are writing about yourself. Every experience, every skill you gain, and every achievement becomes a chapter that builds toward the person you are becoming professionally. More importantly, a career reflects who you truly are, your passions, your natural skills, and your long-term goals in life. The 4-step strategic career pathing process. This is a practical, actionable framework that you can literally start applying today. Whether you're just entering senior high school or you're already about to graduate. Think of this as your roadmap, a step-by-step guide that takes the confusion out of career planning and replaces it with clarity and direction. Let's break down each of these 4 steps in detail. First is self-assessment, which means taking the time to genuinely identify your interests, your strengths, your personal values, and your natural work style. This step requires real honesty with yourself, because everything else in the process builds on this foundation. Second is research. This is where you explore different industries, in-demand jobs, the specific skills required for those jobs, and even realistic salary ranges. Don't just rely on assumptions. Actually look into what these careers involve on a daily basis. Third is goal setting, where you establish short-term goals for your remaining time in SHESH, mid-term goals for college, and long-term goals for your actual career. And finally, the 4th step is creating an action plan. This means listing down concrete, specific steps such as courses you need to take, certifications you should earn, skills you need to build, and even people you should start networking with. When you combine all 4 steps together, you get a clear, personalized roadmap instead of just guessing your way through life.